Okay, here we're back at the computer with doing a video that's going to follow up on the video that we just posted a minute ago. And this is going to be Microsoft Word 2007 assessment exercises that were done on July 21st, 2011. We already did a video that went through steps 1 through 27. Now we're going to start with steps 28 through 43. Okay, now I'm going to go to, it says for number 28, open the file Your Name, Word 2007, Assessment 72111, number 2. So I go to my Agora folder, Agora Students, Teacher, Word 2007, Assessment 72111, number 2. I open that. I'm back in the same file that I was before. And I'm going to go to step number 29, which is increase the indent of words 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 are these two here, window and tabs, in your list by using the commands in the ribbon. So here's the ribbon. I'm going to increase the indent by using the command here. Increase indent. Right there. Done. That's simple. So that's step 29. Step 30. Increase the indent of words 6 and 7 in your list by using the ruler. Words 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 and 7 are this right here by using the ruler. So I'm going to move this here and I'm going to increase it to the same as this right there. Okay. That's done. That lets me be done with step 30. Now, number 31. Insert a page break after word number 5 in your list. Word number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's word number 5. Now, when I say insert a page after word number 5 in your list, you're going to go from having one page to having 2 pages. Here's word number 5. Everything before word number 5 is going to be on page 1. Everything after word number 5 is going to be on page 2. So how do I divide page 1 to page 2? I put I insert a page break. So I click at the end of the 5th word. I go to the Insert tab and I go to the first group that's called pages, and all I do is click page break. See, now I have 2 pages. The first page has 5 words plus the title. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second page has the rest of my words. Now I'm done with step 31. Step 32. Insert page numbers at the bottom of the document using option bold numbers 2. So anytime you're told to insert, it's easy. You have to make sure you're in the Insert tab. You go to page numbers, which page numbers are part of the group header and footer. Click the little arrow for page numbers, and I say that I want it at the bottom of the document, not at the top, but at the bottom. Then as soon as I put my mouse there, I know that I have choices. I can put it on the left, in the middle, on the right, still at the bottom, but in these different places. But I'm telling you to use option bold number 2. I don't see it here. This is accent bar 1, this is accent bar 2, so I have to use this arrow to look for bold number 2. Oh, bold number 1. Here's bold number 2. That's the option that I'm asking you to use, so I click here. See, now I have my pages. Pages 2 of 2, page 1 of 2. I'm done with step 32. Step 33. In the footer, write your name and today's date. Here's the footer. It's both on page 1 And on page 2, it doesn't matter where you write it. You can write it in page 2, you can write it in page 1, it doesn't matter because it's going to be the same in both. What am I going to write? My name, today's date. Okay, so I'm done with step number 33. Step 34, in the header, write Microsoft Word 2007, Agora Career Academy. Again, here I see the header, but if I didn't see it, let's say that I had this here, if I didn't see it, all I have to do is look for it. It's at the top of the document. I can do it on page 1, I can do it on page 2, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it's the header. So I'm going to write Microsoft Word 2007, space, Agora Career Academy. Okay, now I'm done with step number 34. Number 35, insert a blank page. That means that I'm done with the header and the footer, which are active right now. They're dark. This is gray here. I have to make the regular document active. How do I do it? I double click anywhere on it. Oh, I make the footer active. Anywhere here. Now my regular document is active. My header is not active anymore. My footer is not active anymore. Okay, so now insert the blank page. Now I didn't tell you where to insert it, but what I meant is insert it at the end. Okay, so I can go say here or here, and I'm going to go where? To the insert tab. Where? Pages. Where? Blank page. How many pages do I have now? 3 pages. Okay, 3 pages. Now insert a picture and resize the picture. So I'm going to make it easy for myself, and I'm going to put a few paragraph marks before I do the other steps. But I'm going to insert the picture. So insert, where I go? To the insert tab. Where do I go? The illustrations group. Where do I go? Picture. So I'm going to click picture, and it's going to take me to the place where it thinks that I want to get my picture from. But I told you to get the picture from the Dropbox folder, from Agora Students, and here I had 1 picture before, and now I have 2. And I'm going to take the new picture I put in a little while ago, and that's the one we're going to use. Look at this. We have a picture. Okay, all your voices are going to be in the video now. Okay, and then step 36 is after inserting, you're going to resize the picture. So how do we resize? It comes big, big, big. I have to find a corner, any corner. I've shown you mostly this corner here, so if you don't see it, you have to scroll until you see it. And then you move the mouse until you get close to the corner, and then until the mouse changes or the cursor changes to 2-headed arrow. Once it changes, you click, it becomes like a little X, and then you just move to the size that you want. See, nice and smaller now. Say, oh no, that's still too big. I'm going to make it a little smaller. Okay, that may be a little better. Okay, so here we are. We're done with step 36. Now I want to insert a clip art. Okay, so I want to insert it below the picture, so I'm going to insert it right here. Same thing. I'm going to go to the insert tab, and instead of clicking picture, I'm going to insert clip art. Okay, now I said I wanted a clip art of a dog and resize it. Now what I showed you in class was that you type whatever it is that you're looking for, dog, search for dog, and go. And then you can search where, and what the computer calls all collections. What are all the collections? Whatever I have, whatever Office has, whatever the web has. All media file types. Okay, it could be movies, sounds, photographs, clip art. I didn't show you this in class, but this is what I would prefer that you do. You unclick this, unclick this, unclick this, and only leave a clip art. And then go. And now we don't get pictures. We only get what's called clip art. Okay? And you have a long list. Takes a while to come up a long list of choices. And there's some cute one. I'm gonna take this one here. Look at that. Okay, another cute dog. And then I say resize it. How do I resize it? The same way that I resized the window. I go to a corner, wait for my mouse pointer to change to a double-headed arrow, and then I resize it. Now I'm done with step number 37. Step 38. Insert a shape of an arrow and resize it. Now I'm going to pause this for a second because I think that this is not recording, but let me double check. I hope it is. Okay, I'm going to assume it is, even though I can't see it. Okay, so step number 38, insert a shape. I'll go to the Insert tab, and I want a shape of an arrow. I'll go to Shapes, and then look for any arrow that I like. It could be any arrow. Okay, so let's say that I like this arrow here that's bent. So now it's waiting for me to click it wherever I want to click it. So let's say I want to click it here on the side. That's where it goes. And it says resize it. You resize it the same way. You go to a corner, wait for the mouse cursor to change, and you make it small, big, whatever you want. Okay? So that's step 38. Now I'm actually going to stop here and do another video if I need to, but I'm going to stop just to be sure that this video is actually recording. So I'll either see you in a third video, or, well, either way I'll see you again. Bye.